Well, good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. Thanks for tuning in for another full self-driving aerial video. I'm going to take you on a nice country scenic road. On FSD Beta 11.4.4. If you guys are liking the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know that helps the YouTube algorithm.
Not sure what the speed limit is.
On this road, it's probably about 40-ish, 45-ish.
Not that I have anyone behind me, but
No, I don't see anybody behind you. You're gonna feel what a carrot truck feels like passing you, though.
oh yeah, 40.
I do have a small headwind, it feels like, so probably don't exceed 45.
It's fine. The road's 40, so
No worries. There. It's kind of cool. You can see the canal from up in the air.
oh yeah.
Yeah, like you can't see it from the road clearly, but behind these vineyards, I think or
On the left
these
or the
yeah
right?
behind to the right, up to the right behind these orchards. That must be where they're getting their irrigation source from. Did it swerve?
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah, I'm not driving. Alright, ready to adjust the speed. 45, okay?
Yeah, perfect.
That bird did not give a shit. I can't sing the song, but because it's not appropriate.
Oh, it's not appropriate for
yeah, you know
public audience.
Yeah, you know
Yes.
the one. I have no more blanks.
Oh yes, yes. That's on YouTube though.
That's true. Yes, but we try to keep this PG.
That's true.
Technically, we get one, and that's PG-13. So I like to reserve that one for real.
We don't want to get striked too hard on YouTube. you slow down a little bit? I'm having trouble keeping up with you. Pardon me. Must be windy coming through this canyon. I'm only able to do about 40.
I can do 42.
Yeah, perfect. I don't think you have anything behind you.
Oh yeah, there goes the music.
Yeah, still haven't caught up, dude. Like I said, I'm only doing 40. Looked like an epic shot though there. Wilson was like, "Wait for me."
Last time we were driving this, we saw a pheasant.
Gosh, I've only got 38 miles an hour. Now I'm down to 32.
I can't go that long. So do you want me to pull over?
35. I'm at 35.
Doing 35.
I just need to catch you. Like, if you could just let me catch you, I could probably keep up with you.
Okay, I'm gonna go down to 30.
Like, I'm flooring it. It just must be windy up there. Yeah, if I could just catch up to you, then we can proceed on at pace. I'm doing 30, hovering around 35, 37.
Okay, well you're going faster than me. I'm doing 30.
Okay, you can get up to that.
To what?
Go ahead and do 40. 38. Oh yeah, here we go. Now I got some speed back. Jeez Louise. Must be windy as heck in this area. It didn't look like that on our pre-drive.
Mm-mm. It doesn't even look like it.
No, but I mean, you can imagine how, like, from the footage, what you'll see is it's quite turbulent.
There's a pull-off spot up here.
No, I'll be fine. I'll make it to the destination. Yeah, 6 minutes. Yeah, perfect. You can go a little bit quicker.
There's a bird up there.
I have the rest of the speed left.
There's no one behind me.
No worries. That's why we go out to sparsely populated areas.
He's collecting rocks. We hope.
We hope.
Yes, the only danger about going to sparsely populated areas is you hope you don't become on a Netflix special.
That's too.
Some murder documentary.
I don't know. There's a lot of people these days living that van life.
So we were flying our drone and whatnot. We came up on this car and whatnot.
I still think the HGTV version of that, or the joke of that, is the best. Of the, we can afford $7 million, and we live off of artisanal craft making.
Oh yeah. My husband's currently self-employed.
That's it. That's
and I make artisanal crowns, and our budget is $7 million.
That's it. When you're watching home improvement shows and people on there say what their budget is, it's sometimes astounding.
Budget is astounding. It's like, how do you
How?
make artisanal crayons?
Artisanal crayons. Alrighty then.
Got power lines coming up on the right.
Got him.
Crossing under. Do you need me to stop or anything?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
So 4 minutes left. Yeah, perfect.
That's where we got past last time.
Don't think we're gonna get past today. We have nobody behind us.
Crossing again. Now here's a great case study. We have that reflective road problem. Does it phantom brake?
Oh, good point. It hasn't done that for a while.
RC does it though.
It depends on how close it gets into the
Yeah.
range of what it sees.
But RC did it when we went to
Oh, I know.
the campground the other day.
Our Model 3.
Yeah.
This car's done it once or twice. Not as bad as it used to be, though.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Do you have a vehicle coming up? Just so you know. It looks like a truck.
You think you could end it here?
Mm-hmm.
Up at this intersection? Well, thanks again for tuning in, you guys. We're going to end the drive here up at this intersection and continue on. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Catch you again soon. Bye.